Okay, in this video we're going to look at a sphere and how to calculate its surface area and volume. So think of a sphere as like a basketball, a volleyball, a baseball, a golf ball, a gumball, any kind of round, filled, ball-like figure. So we're going to use this formula here for surface area. So we've got 4 pi r squared. So again, r signifying that radius. So looking at this sphere, because they drew the line to the middle, they did indeed give the radius of 9. Had they drawn a cross, that would have been the diameter. So I would have had to divide that by 2, but not the case. So not too bad here. We're going to sub into the formula using our brackets as always. I'm going to take care of that exponent first. Just remember that's 9 times 9. It's not 9 times 2. Very common mistake and not a big deal if you make that. And then those brackets are there to remind us to multiply through. So if I did that right, I'm going to round off to my usual 1 decimal place. And because I did surface area, I need to put that little 2 there. 1017.4 centimeters squared. Scrolling down here, we're going to look at another sphere. Again, noting that they gave us a radius because the line is halfway. But in this one here, we're going to calculate volume. So again, just like the cone, you could use one of these two formulas. They're both exactly the same. 4 pi r cubed this time, divided by 3, or volume equals 4/3 times pi r cubed. Both exactly the same. I like to use this one. So again, got my 4, got my abbreviated version of pi, or your pi button. Now be careful, it says 10 to the exponent 3 or 10 cubed, so we're going to have to make sure we put that 3 like the formula says. And we will take care of that exponent first. 10 to the exponent 3 will be 1,000. And again, taking care of that exponent. Okay, your choice, all in at once, or you can do it in steps. I'm going to multiply up top first. So when I do that, oops, we're at to change that over to the pen. Get 1,200, excuse me, 12,560. Just going to double check that. Yep, we got that. And then we're going to divide that by 3. So again, I like 1 decimal place. I did that right, and I think I did. 4,186.7. And we're going to